Hi friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. In my previous video, I told if anyone interested to know a particular stock, the views and analysis, I will make a video on that and I will upload to the YouTube. So with that, one of our friend asked me my view on Reliance Industries. So this video I am explaining about Reliance Industries. Not much on the fundamental, on the coming rights issue, and also the technical view of the Reliance Industries stock price. Friends, it is India's one of the biggest company, Reliance Industries. You all know that the company established in 1973, and if you see the present revenue of the company is 6.23 lakh crores, and the performance from the 1973 onwards, it is a stellar performance and excellent. I can say the shareholders are rewarded every time. Most of the time, almost I think every 5-6 years it issued bonus shares, and the stock price also continuously slowly growing up. I don't say it is an extreme upside, but it is giving a consistent returns and a decent company. If you see the stock price, this recent periods, March 24th, the lockdown announced on 22nd, 24th trading day, the stock traded around 950. That time oil not fallen heavily, but when the oil was fallen to negative territory, that time the stock is trading at 1243, that is on April 20th. So the stock is performing well, and whenever it falls to below 1000, there is a lot of buying activities going in the market. I saw this scenario from several years. If the stock comes to around 800 to 1000 zone, there is a lot of buying is going on in the market. As a long-term investor in Reliance Industries, it has given a decent returns from last 20-25 years to the shareholders. Coming to the rights issue, in press they announced, but actual date we are expecting maybe 22nd May, maybe the rights issue. It is not officially announced, so we have to see the exact date. And the price is 1257 and presently quoting around 1560. So it is a good price to buy at 1257 if the rights issue, and the shareholders will get 1:15. If you have a 15 shares in Reliance Industries, you will get 1 share as a rights, and total issue size is 53,125 crores. So expecting a rights issues may start from 22nd May, right? And this rights issue, the entire amount is going to be spent to reduce the debt of the company. So that means the idea of the company, and as per their announcements and some reports, if you see they want the company should be debt free by the end of 2021. So that is the idea. And Jio platform and retail platform are doing good, and Facebook and Jio deal was announced. That time, before announcement, the price is around 1250 or 1300 1300 range. Immediately it jumped to 1430. So the overall scenario and overall the price movement is decently going up. Not a very bad things happened in the share prices. If any bad news comes and the share price comes to the level of around 900 or 850, that type of zones from the last 5-6 years, if you observe, the price again going up to 1000, 1100 like that. So but sometimes a few years itself it consolidated the share price. So now coming to the technicals, straight away we'll go. This is the Reliance chart. I just change it to monthly chart. This is purely a technical chart. See, this is a continuous trend. Here these are the months. This is December 19, February, January, February and March. This is the fall. Almost total this fall is retraced now. So if you see on a monthly basis, this is the decent demand area, that is 1100 to 1000, 1160 to 1099. So if you see here also around 1000 rupees. So this way the stock is moving up. Now going forward, big hurdle is 1620. This is the previous high. If breaks this and sustains above, then my target is 1720. Why 1720? A technical target. As per my analysis and my calculations, I will go like this and see the levels. This is the hurdle. This hurdle passes. This is my target. If you are a long-term trader or long-term investor, if you want to buy Reliance, wait for some time. After a rights issue, there may be a small correction. In that correction, you can buy. If you are a short-term trader or you want to buy now and avail the rights issue, you can buy around this price. If any small correction, 50-60 rupees of correction here, you can buy. Or you want to avail only the rights issue. Otherwise, you wait up to the rights issue, and after rights issue, there may be a small correction. In that correction, you can buy it. And if you are a small short-term trader, right? So this is the area you should be very careful to observe. 1597 and 1617, right? So if sustained above 1620, then there is a jump to 1720. If you already purchased, keep a stop loss below the weekly low. We'll see the weekly low also, and keep a target of 1720, right? If you want to buy, you can analyze on a weekly chart and we'll see. This is the hurdle, right? So this week has given a decent bounce. This hurdle already surpassed. This is the supply area. This already crossed it. Next hurdle is this one, already explained in previous, right? So 1615 or 1620 kind of zones, that is the most important zone. And if you want to buy, you can buy in this area, 1490 and 1510. This zone will act as support. Previous supply will act as support now. And keeping a stop loss below this low. This low is this week low. This week low is 1417. So if you already purchased somewhere here, keep a stop loss below this, or maybe below 1397. This area you can keep a stop loss and aim for a target. If you're coming to the Monday, so today is Sunday, that is 10th May. If you want to trade on Monday, how we'll trade, we'll see now. This is a daily chart, right? If the price comes to this zone, you can go and give a short here and keep a stop loss above this and target as an opening price. If price opens in this zone, that is 1545 and 1580. In this zone, if price opens and goes up, this is area where if you are already having some stocks, you take some money here and buy back again. Or you are a pure intraday trader, you go and you can short here and take out. This is the contra trend. It is contra trade. So I'm going against the trend, right? So there is a contra trend, contra trade, and keeping a stop loss above that. Otherwise, if you want to buy, this is the area where you can buy. 1510 to 1515 or 1520. Keep a stop loss of 10 rupees. So that is the trade plan for Monday. But long term and short term trading already explained. So that is my view on Reliance Industries. For your information and for disclaimer, I am holding Reliance Industries shares. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video.